What is current amplification in electrical circuits? Imagine turning a tiny spark into a powerful burst of energy. That's what current amplification is all about. It's a way to make a small electrical current grow into a much larger one, which is super useful in many electronic devices. When you think of amplifiers, think of devices that take a weak signal and boost it so it can do more work. This process is at the heart of how audio systems, radios, and even some embedded systems work. In the world of electronics, transistors are the main players for current amplification. They act like switches or controllers that allow a small current at their base or gate to control a much larger current flowing through their collector or drain. For example, bipolar junction transistors use a tiny current at the base to control a larger current between the collector and emitter. This is how they amplify current. Resistors and capacitors also play roles in these circuits. Resistors limit how much current flows, protecting parts from damage and helping control the amplification process. Capacitors store energy and smooth out signals, making sure the output stays steady and clear. This is especially important in analog electronics, where signals are continuous and need to stay true to their original form. The key property of an amplifier is called gain. Gain measures how much the circuit increases the current. If you start with a small current and the circuit boosts it 10 times, the gain is 10. High gain means more amplification. But it's also important to consider bandwidth, which tells you how many different frequencies the amplifier can handle without losing quality. Linearity is about how accurately the output follows the input. If it's not linear, the signal can get distorted. Efficiency shows how well the amplifier converts input power into useful output, especially in power amplifiers used in speakers or transmitters. In practical terms, current amplification is everywhere. In audio systems, tiny signals from microphones are boosted so speakers can produce loud sound. In telecommunications, signals are amplified to travel longer distances without losing quality. In embedded systems, transistors amplify signals from sensors to make decisions or control other parts of the circuit. Looking at diodes and transistors, diodes are used to convert alternating current to direct current in rectifier circuits. Transistors, on the other hand, are used to control and increase current flow in amplifiers. Combining these components allows electronics to process signals efficiently and reliably. Whether in your smartphone, radio, or industrial machine, current amplification makes sure signals are strong enough to do their job.